Welcome to the land, guys. It's time to do chores. Come join us. It's time to water the plants. These are herbs. We use them to cook in our food. I love this bush. It makes beautiful pink flowers. We love to sit on the bench and enjoy our view. Right here, we are laying wood chips to create a walkway. You don't want to step on your plants. We also put diatomaceous earth to keep away the ants. Everything's looking good. Now it's time to cut the grass. We have a lot of land, and cutting the grass makes it beautiful. And it keeps away critters like snakes. Guys, we found a surprise in the grass. Cute little bird eggs. We covered them so no one would run them over. Levi and Bariah are taking the old boxes apart so we can build new ones. Jeremiah was responsible for removing the wood to a wood pile. We are going to repurpose the wood. The boys are beating the nails down for safety. I tried. It's harder than it looks. And you have to be careful. Okay, it's time for a flip break. Oh yeah, that was fun. Now we're camping in the backyard. The boys are setting up the fire. They did it! Now it's time for dinner and a little fun. Levi is driving us on the tractor. We're headed to give the cows some feed. Caleb is driving with the feed on the back of his four-wheeler. That's all for now, guys. Come back next time.
Leave a comment. Like, subscribe.